Hi, it's Kim Zoller with ID360, and welcome to Wednesday Wirings. I am about to totally promote the most amazing book, Jay Shetty, Think Like a Monk. And I'm in this, we're all in this time of year that we're thinking about our values and our goals and aligning the two. And I heard something this morning as I'm listening to Jay's book, and I just wanted to share it with you. And that is, where do our values come from? And we have higher values and lower values. And this is what I really want to share with you today, because this was so meaningful for me today. Map out what we do every single day and every decision we make, and then align it with our value. So I just thought about that for myself, and I thought, oh my gosh, every time I'm about to buy something that is meaningless on the internet, does that align with my value? What are my values? Or I decide, I don't want to work out today. Does that align with my value of whole health and wellness? And so I challenge you to write down what you are doing on a daily basis, and does that align with your true values? And by the way, I 100% recommend that you buy or listen to Jay Shetty's book, Think Like a Monk. Have the very best day and the best week.